come in the nursery. It's now in downtown. So let's see, I wanna buy the ligustrum tree. Looks like it's very fast growing, and maybe some deal or something. Let's see what they have. And after we're going, Tiffany, nice flowers. Nice flowers here. What is the tree? Looks like here vegetables. Hmm?
Oh, the chocolate mint.
Oh yeah. Where do you see the chocolate mint? Tiffany? Tiffany one. Oh my god, what is this? It's a radish? This.
It says fall garden plant. Oh, no, so this one is planted. Yeah, it looks like a radish.
Broccoli? Or not? No, it's not broccoli. Maybe it's a kale, right? It's a kale.
Looks like it.
Oh, it's a pumpkin grower they just put there.
I didn't put them there. They're not growing there.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Pumpkin vines are big.
So let's go look at. Do they have my black eye Susie? Doesn't have today. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I don't know. It's a cherry or they don't have it.
It looks like some sort of, I mean, usually.
Yeah. Hello. You can ask if they have a ligustrum. What's there?
Couple things. Do you have any ligustrum?
Ligustrums, yeah, we have a ton of them. We have the smaller containers there, and then we have some up front as well.
So these are the
Ligustrums.
Yeah.
How much there? Like small one. Or are they all the same?
Well, these are 7 gallons, these are 55.
Oh, they have a smaller one or no?
Yeah, the smaller ones are up here, he said.
You can get smaller one.
And these are 15. That's great.
Oh, we can get that. Okay, so.
So is this, what size is this? Is this
Well, this is a 3 gallon container. This has a little bit
Have a lemon tree. Let's go walk and buy some.
well, the dill's over here.
Huh? Oh, what's this so beautiful? Oh, it's azalea. Wow. Oh, Robert, they have a flowers what we like it, remember? This one. Yeah?
Yeah.
We can take this as well.
All right.
And take
let me
it.
get a cart.
What's this? Oh my god, they have like these flowers?
Right now we have fennel, that's about it right now. Checking back.
Where's the carts?
I see one there. Oh no, it's... Robert, they have a flower, seeds like
Yeah,
this.
apparently.
Oh my god, I've never seen them with seeds. So they don't have seeds.
Yeah, he says they're out right now.
Oh, okay.
Use that cart.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, it's sad, but they don't have deal. Oh, is it up? Yeah, let's take ligustrum though. Wow. Now is the time for azalea bloom. This is what we have. Yeah? Petunia. Looks like petunia have very good aroma. This is the bushes. What? This is too ligustrum, I think.
Yeah. No, I don't think.
No, it's a lemon maybe. I don't know. Need to ask.
Those might be.
You better ask. Maybe it's ligustrum too.
I think it was. Is this the viburnum?
Kind of. Tiffany. Maybe ask. This is the bushes what we have. I planted close to Norfolk.
Is that a bougainville there?
Yeah, but I don't want a bougainville by
Yeah,
now.
we don't need any more.
No, this is the beautiful tree. What's this?
Avocado.
What's this so beautiful?
There's a
Very
tent
hot.
in there. It is holly.
Holly. Holly. Holly. Holly.
And then the viburnums.
So this one nice also.
Yeah, I've been blessed.
Did you ask about this tree? If it's ligastrum or no?
No, up there in this little area here, were the viburnums there or the ligustums there? Recently or now? Right now.
I think those are ligustums. I think they're. You show the viburnums.
Okay.
The ligustums and viburnums.
Where the branches grow out and are curvy.
You can train these. I mean, they're trimmable. Most people will do that.
Kind of wants it natural, but
Choice two ligastrum, one for the front, one for the back. Hopefully they will grow fast, but problem is again will be looks like soti or something. I can't believe it. What it's again will be soti. Look at how this amazing. Some sort of a fruit, and this calls holly. Huh? Are they always will have a fruit, or
Make sure that's good.
yeah?
You connect with plants.
So we bring the gloves with us and we get those bricks. Which one is that? It is for $3. Yeah, that's what we get. And yeah, about this side we get like a 6 for now. And I like it. Flowers on the clearance. I find those so cute. And also I like it. This plant, they kind of are like a ground cover. Hopefully I don't read anything about them. I just we walk on and see some people planted them a lot, and I hope they propagate themselves because they have, remember, like everywhere. So this is how is it will be, and maybe some of them have a good aroma. Okay, we're in Lowe's. Let's go. See it. We cannot see here bushes what we like. Okay, how we like it's what we wanted to buy. This is actually good bricks what we want after buy for making the planter box. So this is how they are. Yeah. Very quiet here. Oh, what is this so beautiful? Wow. Huh. Look how beautiful. How much they cost? Okay, 25. They have aroma. Have them here. Right? I don't remember those three. Did you see before?
no.
It's amazing. Very beautiful, right? Need to read about if they grow very fast. Amazing. And I very love this bush. Amazing. They will not be so tall, but Tiffany. And this one blue, I like it. Leave it the cart. Leave it cart. Leave it cart. I like this. Interesting. This one beautiful, but in Walmart I see them and there's so many bee. And I'm like, no, maybe I will, will not get them. Lily, but this one lily doesn't have aroma. What happens to the palm from cold weather? What's this? Yellow one. Nice, yeah, this. Oh, I love this one. Very small flowers, like wild. Actually, I have a wild flowers, seeds. Need to planted them. Bag of the seeds.
I like these over here.
Yeah, they have a taller one. That's what I say. I love this. They have a taller there. Look how this beautiful. Organic tomatoes, this, what is it? Huh. Where's no, it's grow.
Long lesson.
Uh-huh. Oh, it's tulips. This do they smell good? Wow, how amazing color. Wow, right? Blue. I like this noise. Here. I don't see the grass. Maybe it's not the seasons.
There's some stuff over there.
No, tall grass like we have. Wow, aroma. Way beautiful. Look at how inside beautiful. You know, like if this one like fell, but but no, it's just painted like this. Yeah. I love it, Boston fern. But this one, remember I told you what I wanted like this? But they actually too broken solo from the cold. But they grow huge. This is what we have in close to the magnolia. Magnolia. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, these leaves are allowed, but they probably, if I buy these, have to be only in the planter box, or planter box in the pots, because if it will be again winter cold like this. Okay, let's go. Hina will come.
Music.
Okay. Tiffany. How many pounds is it?
I don't know, a lot.
What? You very like it club bell.
Well, these aren't club bills.
Yeah, they look huge. I believe
Yeah,
you.
they're bigger than what we've
Your choice
got,
them.
so well, I didn't see.
Yeah, they don't have another one. You can cut them on a half.
No, I don't know that
We don't have any more machines.
No, that was a rented
Okay,
machine.
this was very long to find this because it's on a clearance, so they have a hard time to find it. Careful with the yellow because they fall apart, kind of. Yeah, I can see.